Hello everyone, today we will compare Printify and Teespring, two popular print-on-demand platforms. So Printify is a robust platform that connects you with a network of print providers, while Teesprings, on the other hand, is an all-in-one platform that allows you to design, sell, ship custom products without upfront cost. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Printify and Teespring, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. And as you can see when it comes to product range, Printify has wide variety product range including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more, while Teespring focus only on apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories. When it comes to printing techniques, Printify offers various printing methods such as DTG and sublimation and embroidery, while Teespring utilizes DTG printing primarily. When it comes to design tools, Printify provides an easy-to-use design interface with a mockup generation and integration in design software like Canva, while Teespring offers a design tool with customization option for text, image, and templates. And yes, that's it. So let's go to another features, which is the product margin or profit margin. So Printify, you can set your own profit margins on top of the base prices, giving more control over earnings, while Teesprings has fixed profit margins based on the product category. When it comes to fulfillment options, Printify integrates with multiple print providers worldwide for efficient order fulfillment, while Teespring handles production, packaging, and shipping directly to customers. When it comes to shipping, Printify shipping rates and times vary depending on the print provider chosen and the customer location, while Teespring offers standard and expedited shipping option with estimated delivery times. So now that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go to the pricing comparison. And as you can see, when it comes to base prices, Printify vary depending on product and printing technique. With Teespring, they have transparent base cost for each product. When it comes to printing costs, Printify included in base prices vary by product and print provider, while Teespring is included in base cost and it is determined by Teespring itself. When it comes to profit margins, as I said earlier, you can set your own base prices, allowing for customizable profit margins on Printify, while Teespring has fixed profit margins set by Teespring itself based on the product category. And when it comes to pricing transparency, Printify has base prices are transparent with breakdowns available for each product and print provider, while Teespring base costs are transparent also with profit margins clearly displayed. And when it comes to pricing complexity, Printify pricing structure can be complex due to varying base prices and printing costs from different print providers, while Teespring pricing structure is simpler with fixed profit margins determined by Teespring. When it comes to cost calculators, Printify provides calculators to estimate costs and profit margins based on the chosen products and pricing settings, while Teespring offers cost calculators to estimate earnings based on the sales volume and product prices. So yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer and support comparison. When it comes to support channels, Printify has email, live chat, and help center. Same thing with Teespring. And when it comes to availability, Printify is available during business hours and live chat is available on a certain plans, while Teespring is available only during business hours. When it comes to response time, Printify generally responsive with live chat offering quicker assistance, and Teespring response times vary, typically within 1 to 2 business days. And when it comes to help resources, Printify has comprehensive help center with articles, facts, and tutorials. Same thing with Teespring. So when it comes to community engagement, Printify has active community forums and social media groups where users can share experiences and seek assistance, while Teespring is limited community engagement features. And lastly, when it comes to proactive support, Printify has no specific mention of proactive support initiative. Same thing with Teespring. And yes, that's it for the customer and support, pricing, and features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start with the Printify pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Printify offers a diverse selection of products, including apparel, accessories, and home decor items, giving creator more option to choose from. The creators can set their own profit margins on top of base prices, allowing for greater control over pricing and potential earnings. And Printify seamlessly integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, making it easy for creators to manage their online stores. And lastly, Printify partners with print providers worldwide, enabling efficient order fulfillment and faster shipping customers around the globe. And when it comes to cons, so Printify's pricing structure on Printify can be complex, with varying base prices depending on product and printing technique, which may require careful consideration and calculation. And since it relies on a network of print providers, there may be inconsistencies in print quality and fulfillment times across different providers. And while Printify offers integration with design software like Canva, its built-in design tools may be less robust compared to other platforms, limiting customization options for creators. So that's it for the cons. Now let's go to the Teespring pros and cons. And as you can see, when it comes to pros, Teespring offers an intuitive design tool with easy customization options, making it accessible to creators of all skill levels. Teespring provides transparent pricing with base costs and fixed profit margins clearly displayed, simplifying the pricing process for creators. Teespring handles production, packaging, and shipping directly to customers, relieving creators of the logistical burden of order fulfillment. And lastly, they integrate with platforms like YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, enabling creators to sell merchandises directly to their audience. And when it comes to cons, Teespring focus is primarily on apparel like t-shirt and hoodies with fewer options compared to platform like Printify. Creators have limited control over profit margins as Teespring set fixed margins based on the product categories, potentially limiting earning potential. And Teespring offers a help center with articles and facts, and it lacks the active community engagement features found on platforms like Printify. So yes, that's it for the pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to the which platform is the best for you, and let's start that by discussing who should choose Printify. So Printify is referable for someone who offers wide range of products beyond just apparel, including accessories, home decor items, and more. Someone who wants to set their own profit margins on top of the base prices, giving them greater control over pricing and potential earning. Someone who has e-commerce store who already have a plan or set up to their online stores. And lastly, for global sellers targeting international markets. So if you have all of this quality, I recommend you that you choose Printify. So yes, that's it. So for the people who should choose Teespring, Teespring is a referable for someone who primarily want to sell apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, accessories, and as it offers a wide range of customization options in this category. And so for creators looking for simplicity when it comes to selling process, for social media influencers who want to monetize their content by selling merchandise directly to their audience, for creators seeking direct shipping solution, and lastly, for someone who are looking for reliable and reputable platform to sell their products. So if you have all of these qualities, Teespring is the best for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both Printify and Teespring offer valuable tools and resources for creators looking to start their print-on-demand business. Printify stands out with its wide range of products, flexible pricing, and global fulfillment network, making it ideal for creators seeking diversity and control over their pricing strategy. On the other hand, Teespring excels in simplicity, user-friendliness, and direct shipping solution, making it a great option for beginners and social media influencers. So ultimately, the choice between Printify and Teespring depends on your specific needs, preferences, and goals as a creator. And with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.